Hey everyone, it's Ivan with KitBadger.com, here to bring you another gear review. And today we're talking about this guy, which is the Jackery Giant Plus 1200 milliamp power pack. Spending a lot of time out in the backcountry, one of the limitations I ran into was power to film videos, take pictures. So this Jackery does a great job in extending the amount of time I'm able to stay out there. If you saw my video on the Magpul Dock pouch, it's basically integral to my entire backup power system. I have this, which powers everything, and to go along with it, inside here I have my backup batteries for my GoPro, which I do all my filming on, charger cable for my iPhone, which I take all my photos on, and then the cable as well as the little charger unit for the GoPro batteries, all in one convenient package powered by this Jackery Giant Plus. This power pack comes in a handy little package. It's 4.3 by 3.1 by about 0.8 inches thick, only weighs 10.4 ounces. On this end we can see our charging ports. Both of them are 5 volts, this one being 1 amp, this one 2.1 amps, both USB. In the middle we have a micro USB. This is where you actually charge this power pack. Plug it into either a wall outlet or into your computer. It takes about 10 hours to fully charge it. Right here there's 2 LEDs which serve as a small flashlight. The button on the side, press it twice, turns on, twice again, turns off. These 3 bars here show you your power level. Right now they're all lit blue. You can check it by pressing it once, show you how much power you have in it. It means it's full. As it goes down, only 2 will light up, 1, then you're pretty much out of juice. While you do have this plugged in and it's charging, as it charges, it'll become solid, the one above it'll blink, solid, the one above it'll blink, until all of them are solid, knowing it's fully charged. One of the features I really like about this unit is the smart circuitry that is integrated into it. One thing is it will not allow you to over discharge this unit, thereby wrecking the batteries internal to it. And then whether you're using the unit or to whatever electronics you're using, it won't overcharge this or them, as well as over voltage this or them, making sure you protect this as well as your electronics that you're trying to charge. As far as the overall lifespan of this, it says it's good for 500 cycles as far as discharging and then recharging this, which is quite a bit of use. As far as the rating on this guy of 1200 milliamps, you're not going to get that out of it, nor will you get any top-end rating from any power pack that you end up buying. Reason being, internal to this, we have all our electronic circuitry, and with that you have a bunch of loss. It eats up some of the power. So realistically, I'm probably going to get about 7,500 milliamps out of this. For my needs, works totally fine. Allows me to be out in the backcountry a week or so at a time, repeatedly charge all my GoPro batteries, keep my iPhone topped off for photos. Does great for me. Depending on your needs, if say you are going to use something like this for charging a iPad, something like that, a lot bigger draw of power, you're going to probably want a bigger version of this. This guy right here though, easily charge your iPhone 6 probably a good 3 times or so, from completely dead up to full. So be realistic as far as the amount of power you need for your needs. More and more we become reliant on technology. Smartphone for most of us, pretty much a lifeline. And when this goes dead, we have problems. This guy does a great job for charging up our device, or any device that can be charged by USB. Whether we're in the backcountry, natural disaster, where we want to make sure this guy's charged, this will do a great job for us. You can get these guys off of Amazon, about 22 to 24 bucks depending on color. They come in orange, black, gold, and silver. Great little device, keeping everything charged. As always, thanks for joining us at KitBadger.com. Look forward to seeing you.
In sleep he sang to me, in dreams he came, that voice which calls to me.